At worldwide level, there is an estimation that 1.8 billion people are engaged in agriculture, and most of them use pesticide for protecting the food and the commercial products produced. This is more people than the whole China population working in the agriculture area and using or being exposed to pesticides. Each year, approximately 2.5 billion kilograms of pesticides are used worldwide. In Europe, countries like Spain, Portugal, Germany or Ireland have steadily increased their pesticide use since the 90s. Although France and Italy have decreased their use, they are among the European countries with highest amounts of pesticides use. Apart from the environmental problem affecting groundwater sources and non-target species such as pollinator insects and aquatic organisms, recently several studies have correlated the cancer increments of prostate, lung, colon, pancreas, bladder, leukemia, multiple myeloma, and neurological problems with increasing lifetime exposure to certain pesticides. Considering the evidence from these studies, developing new methods or products respectful to the environment and promoting a sustainable agriculture are vital to a modern society. Ecobertura was born with the idea to promote integrated pest management, producing insect pheromones more efficiently and new traps using the information and communication technology to save time and resources to the farmers. Thanks to an agreement with the La Laguna University located in the Canary Islands and with the financial support from the SODECAN and the Canary government, Ecobertura has a laboratory inside of Bio-Orgánica Institute Antonio González, where it has started its activities on May of 2017.
Our main concern from a synthetic viewpoint is develop a new process and protocols to synthesize different pheromones in a straightforward manner. In other words, our goal is to produce pheromone in a fast and cost-effective fashion, allowing to generate products more economical to the farmer and stimulate the use of this technique of integrated pest management. We have developed a very efficient process to produce the insect pheromone which affect tomato crops, and none of the methods reported on scientific literature are more efficient than ours. In fact, this year the Canary government has bought our product to distribute for the tomato pest control campaign. This method can also be applied to another insect pheromone which affect the potato crop, and we are currently performing the field experiments to release the product early next year.
There is a worldwide concern about the problem generated with the overuse of pesticides. This means that from a market point of view, products aiming to reduce this problem will gain more and more relevance. As a starting point, we have focused on Macaronesian region due to the fact the Canary Autonomous Province is the Spanish region with the highest ratio of pesticide use per hectare. Currently, the national phytosanitary market has an estimated value of 650 million euros and the Canary region around 13 million euros. At worldwide level, this sales figure reaches 4 billion euros. Ecobertura's goal is to contribute with our product to change this picture towards a more sustainable agriculture.
Beside the chemistry, Ecobertura is working on a new trap using information and communication technology to produce a revolutionary trap with the longest work autonomy. Thanks to its design and state-of-the-art system, our trap will allow to save time and generate valuable data to the farmer. Our trap design is unique in the market, and the first prototype will be tested next year.
Ecobertura team members are highly qualified, counting with organic chemists with PhD, managers with MBA, and agriculture engineers. The long-term goal is to offer new products and integral solutions by bringing together different areas of the science. Ecobertura has the commitment of making products respectful with environment and people, and most important, accessible to farmers.